Hello everyone, welcome back into this tutorial and welcome back into Max TV. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your free website by using Canva for free account. So you may have a free account and you want to be creating also your free website. Maybe you want to host your event, you want to be also promoting certain products, so you want to be having the certain website, you can add certain information. You can create your own website by using Canva for free now. So if you did not subscribe to this channel Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in a comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to be clicking here. As you see, if I log in my Canvas homepage, I get also this option. You can see I have websites. This option of website is the one which I can use to create also my website. I click on it to get opened. So now once I click on it, yes, it is not opening. I can load it to come back, and also once it has also reloaded itself, I click on it because I want to create a website. So on now, yes, once so I click it on it, you can see it is going to be bringing various informations and types of also templates that I can use to create my websites. As you see, there is here templates, there is layout tab, there is styles tab, which means I'm going to be selecting every part of the information I want to be using while creating this website. For example, you see I have these templates. I can see blog. If I want to create a blog, so I can see also I want to be using, for example, which templates. Let me see. Yes, maybe I want to use these templates. Let me use these templates as the one I want to be using. So let me click and add this image. So once I add this image, I can be adding all those images if I want to be adding them. And as you see now, this is marketing. So I'm going to be marketing, and I created this website as for marketing purpose. So what I need to do, I need to also click on this. As you see, I have those skills. Those are the skills that I'm marketing, that I can be doing for myself, or I can be doing for others. If I want to market myself, also to advertise my skills, I can be using this website to do this. As you see, I can be formatting this to another type of style I want. Maybe I can come here and use this style, and also I can come here now. Let me go at the bottom. Those are skills that I will be, yes, doing for my clients, skills, services that I will be performing for my clients. These are my picture that I want to be showing on my website. And I want to be also, for example, I want to attach the link so that they will be clicking it to see further information. So what I have to do here, I can come here, for example, search for the link, marketing strategies, marketing skills unit. Yes. So now this is an example. Suppose that this is my website that I have, and suppose that it's an example, and I want that they be redirected to this link to see various information on my site. I can be adding the link. For example, I can add text here and add text box. If I say that for more information, I can add it here to the bottom. For more information, click here. Yes, click here. Now I can also make this as a link. If I say for more information, click here, and you can see I'm here and I want to add something like a link. So you can be coming here and click on this link because I want to hyperlink something. So if I want to hyperlink this, now I can be, yes, I click that. So which means now I have hyperlinked any page of this, and I can be opening this also through this page. And this page I have hyperlinked here on this link. It is going to be opening once I want to be opening this page. So after doing this, can be editing whether I want to edit background. So it is white. I can be changing it to this. If I want to be looking like this. So you are the one to choose which one do you prefer to be showing on your marketing skills. And as you see now, I have this. I can be now minimizing this and add another title here. So for example, let's market our business. So this title that I added here at the top, and I make sure that I customize it to be regular with another one. So after this, and I can go back here at the top. So now as you see, where I created this, you can see I have options here. I have the one which is publish website, and I have preview website, which is different from when I am creating also logo, image, or anything else. Now let me try to preview this website, how to be looking like if I publish this one. So in my preview, as you can see, they show me, let's market our business skills and services. Now skills, now you can see this is a link I have added. If I click on it, you can see I'm going to be redirected to another page that I have hyperlinked to this for another website. You see now I have hyperlinked another website, and I can be also redirected to another website, which means I can be even editing it and also be redirected, being redirected to another website or another blog. So now let me go now publish my site, because you see now my site is there. I can publish this one, or you can be adding another one if you want. So now through while publishing, you need to come here and also choose which way you want to be adding your site. You want to be adding it using navigation or without navigation. If you add without navigation, you see, they say you have input page titles, preview page titles, so, or without navigation. So now this is how it will be looking like via mobile on computer. Now let me come here. Now you need to choose here free domain name that you're going to be using, or you can buy one. Because we want to use this one, so uh, let's use free domain name on this. So now after using the free domain name, you can see we have the URL here. I have my domain name that I have added here, and you see my party.mycanva.com, and I can choose this one to edit this. As you see, they are showing skills. As you see now, I'm going to be updating this on my domain name, which is called myparty.mycanva.com. So now here I add description. I can add, this is the website aimed at helping you to know the skills and services we can be giving you, we provide to you Yes, this is a website. Now after this, what I need to do, I need to click here, continue, because everything is okay. Now I need to click here, continue. Then I wait. As you see, it is preparing my design. So while it is preparing my design, now I need to wait this to open. As you see, this is my website. Now I can have the link, then I copy it. This is how it will be looking like on my phone. This is how it will be looking like also on my computer. Now let me try to visit this website and see. As you can see, now I have my website here. You can see how it is looking like. You can see I have terms and supports. You can see I have also for more information. Can you visit that link? So which I have hyperlinked there. So which means if we have hyperlinked another link for blog, for email, for website, for Facebook example, for Instagram, for Twitter, you can be getting redirected to that one. So as I copied the link also, I can be pasting this link, try to visit it, and you see it is opening in your computer. And this is how you can be creating your free website by using Canva. And also you can be getting this website uh, live, and you can be promoting services, you can be promoting everything you want to be promoting by using Canva for free. Even if you have free account, you can be doing this. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel Mix TV. If you have any suggestion or any issue, leave it in the comment section.